In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create and integrate a contact form on your Wix website. Whether you're running a small business, managing a blog, or building an online portfolio, capturing your visitors' information through contact forms is essential for engagement and growth. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. It's typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Now that you're in Contacts, it's time to add a new contact. Click on the button that says Create New. This is where you'll begin to build your contact list, so you'll want to enter the contact's name, their email address, and phone number. These are the basic details necessary for most contact entries. If you want to enrich your contact's profile, Wix offers an AI assistant feature. While optional, this handy tool can help you add more intricate details, like a birth date or an address. This can be particularly useful for personalized marketing or follow-ups. Once you've filled in the desired information, click Save to keep this contact securely stored in your dashboard. Now that you have your contact set up, let's move on to including an actual contact form on your website. Begin by accessing the Wix editor. This is where you'll make visual and functional adjustments to your site. In the Wix editor, look for the Add Elements button. It's represented by a plus icon. You can't miss it. Click on it and you'll see a menu unfold. In this menu, navigate to Contacts and Forms. This section houses various templates and options for your contact forms. Browse through the available options and choose a form that best suits your website's needs and aesthetic. Simply drag and drop your chosen form template onto your page. It's that easy. After placing the form on your page, it's important to tweak its appearance so that it fits seamlessly into your existing design. Resize the form and adjust its design elements, such as fonts and colors, to match your theme. This not only creates a professional feel, but also ensures a cohesive look across your site. Finally, take the time to customize the fields in your contact form. Maybe you want to add a drop-down menu or rearrange existing fields. You have the flexibility to do so. The best part about using Wix for your contact forms is the automatic saving feature. Any submissions made through your form will be diligently stored in your dashboard for easy access and management. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your contact form on your Wix website, ready to capture valuable insights and build meaningful connections with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building.